Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Today in this video we are going to start our new unit number 3, factors and multiples. Let's start the video. First of all, we have to learn that what are factors and multiples. When we multiply two whole numbers to get the new number, the numbers which are multiplied are the factors, and the new number which we get as a result is the product or multiple of that numbers. For example, 7 multiplied by 8 is equals to 56. Here we have multiplied two whole number to get a new number, and two whole numbers are 7 and 8, and the new number is 56. So in this example, 7 and 8 are the factors and 56 is the multiple or product of these factors. Let's start to solve some example. Find factors of 12. Before finding the factors of 12, there are some important points which we have to remember, and these are: start with multiply the number by 1, try 2, 3, 4, etc. When you repeat your factors, cross out the repeat. You are done at this point. If you get doubles such as 4 multiplied by 4, then you are done. Repeat and doubles let you know that you are done. So now let's solve the question to remember this point. Here we have some factors of 12. The first point is we have to start to multiply the number by 1. So first I have multiplied 1 by 12 to get 12. Then 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to 12. 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 12. Now at this point the factors are repeating. So we have a point that when the factors are repeating, we just cross out the repeated factor, and we have done at this point, which means that at this point we have done. After this we cannot find any factor of 12. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. In the question we have to find the factors of 12, which means that we have to find those numbers from which we get the when we multiply those numbers we get the answer 12. So these are the number by which we can get the answer 12. These are the factors of 12. Let's have another example. Find factors of 65. Again we have to remember these points. Now let's solve. The first number is 1. The first factor is 1. 1 multiplied by 65 is equals to 65. After this, 65 does not come in the table of 2 and 3 and 4. But 65 comes in the table of 5. When we multiply 5 by 13, we got 65. And 65 does not come in the table of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But in the 13, 65 comes when we multiply 13 by 5. But at this point the factor is repeating, so we just cross out the factor, and we have done at this point. So factors of 65 are 1, 5, 13 and 65 itself. You know that in the points which we have to remember, repeat and double let you know that you are done, which means that when the factors is repeating when we get the doubles, which means that we are done at this point. After this point we cannot find any factor of the number. Let's have one more example. Find factors of 16. Again we have points to remember. Okay, find the solution. First we multiply 16 by 1, so we got 16. Then 2 multiplied by 8, 16, 2 8s are 16. 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. Now we get double, which means that we have done at this point. After this point we cannot find any factor of 16. So factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 itself. Now let's do some example of multiples. So find multiples of 8. Before finding the multiples of 8, we have to remember these points. A multiple is formed by multiplying a given number by the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. Multiples of any number are infinite. There is no limit of multiple and the multiples are infinite. So let's start. We have to multiply the given number, which is 8, by the counting number. So I have multiplied 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get its multiple. These are the counting numbers. And the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. These are the multiples of 8. Now, find multiples of 5 between 20 and 20 to 120. We have to find the multiples of 5 between 20 to 120. So, in this question, I have found all the multiples of 5 till 120. You can see that 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. I have found all the multiples of 5 till 120. I have multiplied 5 by the counting numbers till I get 120, and at this point, at 5 multiplied by 24, we get 120. So now we have to find the multiples of 5 between 20 to 120. So we start from this. We have 20, we have 25, we have 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115 and 120. So these are the multiples of 5 which we have between 20 to 120. In this question we have found all the multiples of 5, but in next example we have to find multiples of 6 between 18 to 68. So we can, in this slide, in this example, I haven't found all the multiples of 6. I've just start from 18. Let's see. We know that when we multiply 6 by 3, we got 18. So I have started from 6 multiplied by 3. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. 6 11s are 66. Now at this point we have done, because we have to find the numbers, the multiples of 6 between 18 to 68, and after 66 we got, and after 66 we got 72. So at this point we have done. So the factors of so the multiples of 6 between 18 to 68 are 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and 66. I hope you all have understood today's video. Your homework task is do exercise 3.1 question number 1 to question number 3 complete, and question number 4 part A and C given on page number 14 in your notebooks. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.